Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import image in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it first, you need to create a new empty file, and after that you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on File. Then we need to click on Import, or alternatively you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl-I to do it. So I click here, and now I need to select image that I want to use. So for example, I click on this one image and I click Open button to import it. Then it will be successfully imported to our project. We can change properties of this image if we will go to Model tab, and here we need to click on this one image, then it will be selected here. You will be able to modify placement and other settings of this image, and you can click right mouse button on this one image and you can select here Change Image. Then you will be able to modify plane. For example, I select this one plane or this one plane. You can reverse direction if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. You can modify X distance. For example, I will increase it, or I will increase Y distance. How you see it is being modified. We can rotate this image if you want. We can change transparency and modify dimensions, width and height. But of course, I recommend you to have here selected keep aspect ratio, because then it will look really great. So in this way you can insert image in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.